Hi boys and girls, my name is Mrs. Alvarado and we're going to practice sight words today. Now I'm making it really tricky, but I think you can do it because we want to get you ready for first grade. So I have 50 sight words in my hand here. 50. And I want to see if you could try to get 50 points. So for every sight word that you say before I say it, you get a point. You ready? So I'll show you an example. So 3 seconds is all you have, and then I'll answer after 3 seconds. Take. So if I said it before you, you wouldn't get a point. But if you said it before me, you would get the point. You ready? If your parent or older brother or older sister or babysitter are sitting next to you, they can write down how many points you get. They could just make little tally marks, and then at the end, see if you get 50 points. Okay. I'm going to put that word away because that was too easy if I give you that one. Okay, you ready? So you want to try to get 50 points, but it's okay if you don't. Here we go. Ready? 3 seconds. Begin. Over. Did you get it before me? If you did, you get a point. Little. Will. Who. Her. Let. Ask. Yes. A lot of you beat me on that one. Us. If. So. Good. Came. To. Be. When. Just. Some. Want. Get. Where. Hour. Down. Goes. Big. Has. Did. This one you'll know. Into. Very good. Up. About. Run. Very. got, must, day, book, may, do, love, under, nine, the number 9. Take, help, made, say, then, out. You're doing awesome. Come, ran, play, your, and your last one, him. Okay, if you got 10 or more, raise your hand. You could just quickly look. Get your paper, see. That's a lot of hands up. That's awesome. If you got 50, that is super. And when I stop this video, go ahead and count and see how many you got. That is super. And if you didn't get them, go ahead and make sure you keep practicing. You could watch this video again, or what you could do is you could practice your sight words that are in your binder. Okay? Make sure you keep practicing because I want you ready for first grade. You're going to have to know all these sight words for first grade. And you have to know them in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and you should say it. Okay, you guys are doing awesome. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.